and just moving it up and down. Next thing you're going to do is stabilize and hold on to the calcaneus. Does everybody see that? And then I'm going to grab right up underneath the cuboid. My thumb is actually underneath the foot. Underneath the foot. I'm not trying to grab anything out here. I'm underneath it. Then my index finger is above it, and I'm going to be pushing the cuboid up and down. Okay? Everybody see that? You see that, Bob? Mm-hmm. Next thing I'm going to do is the calcaneus. And I'm going to stabilize the talus again, and I'm going to put this calcaneus into like a figure 8 movement. Right? And I'm doing the whole figure 8 because it can go anterior, it can go posterior, it can go medial, it can go lateral, and we're going to show you all those adjustments. Okay? The last thing that we're going to motion palpate is we're going to motion palpate the distal metatarsal. So we're going to come down the metatarsal, and here we find this joint. This joint gets involved with a lot of things. Gout usually affects this joint. Hallux valgus, hallux rigidus, all different things. People have a lot of trouble with this, so it should be examined early on patients, because if you take care of it when it's early enough, you might be able to save that person a whole lot of difficulty, right? So if you have your own kids even, just make sure that that bone stays as healthy as you can. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just grabbing onto the toe, and I'm putting my pit joint up underneath the distal metatarsal, and I'm lifting it up. I'm not pulling up on the phalange here. I'm under the distal metatarsal, pushing it up. So you can tell you my index finger pip is all the way up underneath there, lifting that up. Okay. Then I'm going to grab the second one. I'm going to lift that all the way up. You can see how it sticks up this way. I'm going to grab this one, push it up. I'm going to grab this one, push it up, and this one, and push it up. People have a lot of trouble with these bones right through here, and you adjust them. Very easy adjustment, brings about a lot of relief. Usually you have to do it several times, and all of a sudden it starts to function again, and the patient has a lot less problems.
Is that several times in one session, or several sessions?
Several sessions. You're just going to have to stay with it, check it whenever they come in. It takes 2 seconds to examine it. Once you know what's wrong with it, you'll see it just takes half a second. You adjust it like that. And that one was a little bit stuck. But I don't like to just look at one being stuck relative to itself. You should always check it to the other foot.